we are at a point of no return. And the only way, like cancer, which attacks any part of your body, and the doctors recommend amputation, the only way to deal with this government is to amputate them. The best way to destroy a country, I think Mandela said it, is not to use guns and cause mayhem in the country. It's to destroy your educational system. And this is what we are facing. You look at it and you say that, what did you use all these monies for? They can show one or two things, but it doesn't correspond with the amounts, huge amounts that we have taken. Look, from the days of Diago de Azambuja to Gordon Gogisbeck, through to Nkrumah, Liman, Rawlings, Kufuor, Atamels, Mahama, and today Akufo-Addo. This government has borrowed more than all of them. Yet there's little to show for that. And what has this overborrowing done to us? And that is what your question is about. What has this overborrowing done to us? Are you aware Ghana is no more a favorable destination for investors? And that's why the companies are leaving. Wow. I'm told Togo and even Benin is more favorable to investors than Ghana. This same overborrowing has led to slow in the economic growth. The economy is no more growing. Are you therefore surprised to see Ghanaians leaving the shores of this country to the extent that a family was asked to go and bring their dead body? They themselves got there. They have
Pontiweye a lawyer Abraham Amaliba and yete nenken eba se womo ko ede agende si amanyuku no mbremu ebzafo oka hopa de muntintiman afie mfa mo nkogumasuamo mo ni tuaye mo ne mo sam si a chechefo a wono mo trade awo ye teacher training colleges ahodo ne munyinara abusua womo ade omo nkuku no mo nkaka gufo ma ase ne mo kase womo etitifie edi womo yirenom Ediane na strike ya chechefo no a omo trade awe teacher training colleges no mu wo no na enkwala no a ye tete wo mama mababonti ababe ye teacher for so no ebusiafo se so mani etutu aka wo mo nsam wo mo hu so mo kwata anaso wo mo kwadwo titiriu ene wo mo akwasibro ne ka ne so mo final year no a na nka aka de na omoba be wie school no kese de wo so mo ye bia no ma ye wie na cheche ni ho no mo a oba fi na ni coach wisi na ne ti asante mo pepe se jare bobo e de ahwen krata mo de amano a school no owie enye yi nti amasese no omo hu so omo ba fie e no omo so omo hu se omo etena school no mo srempenimfo se ba bia dro no de aban onfa no hunyim no omo no ma cheche fo ne nkasa na ne kire ya omo nsamra e ma kire o ma de
big disaster to the school and even individual with the students as well, because right now we are going to write exams and we don't know what we are going to write. We don't know what is like. We are frustrated. To be frank, we are frustrated. We need God's intervention on us. Tell the media, tell those in charge of the strike that they should come to our aid and help us.
So what I want to say about the strike is that it has really caused harm to us, because we don't even have the materials for learning and so on. Like, we don't have any information. Like, we don't know whether we are going to write exams or not. So we are begging the government to come to our aid to help us. So that's what I can say about the strike.
So with the challenge that we are facing as teacher trainees, it has been past a month and few weeks now since we resumed back to campus, and our lecturers have not been to class to teach us. And as a matter of fact, we are spending on food, we are spending on water, we are spending on a lot of things that we are not getting any results out of it. See, and it has become a challenge or a problem to us. There are a lot of courses that we don't have course outlines to them, and we don't have course materials to them. We don't even know what to learn. So we stand as Student Representative Council and we see that our members are going through a lot. Level 100 students don't even have any experience in strike actions. Level 200 students same.
Amzafon to way ma any anuanum nkumo moko school ewo Wesley College of Education a etweniti afrene say West School na yeti wo mo enken sese de omo cheso mo ne tutu aka wo no nsam wo mo enhu de omo eye bia na strike ya achechefo no wo mu no a na enawie eja yeguso a ye bobo ye ho no yakeka ne masi ani na ya boabo ansem ne bia no ababedi nkonkonsa de akere mu a ene ye kote ye se atena ya ehwe o man ngomasu ho nsensema to nsafra kyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no a ɔmo ɛwɔ atuatie mu ɔmo kyerɛ deɛ ɛwɔ yɛ teacher training colleges ahodoɔ no mu so ɔmo mmra na ɔmo no ɔmo ani nhyia sɛ bɛyɔ na bɛɛbosome ne yɛkyie no ɔmo atenatena fie no ɔmo akoma bɛtɔ ɔmo yɛm no ɔmo asa so akɔyɛ adwuma bio na abusua yɛsɛ akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no kyɛ so ɔmo ansi wo mpo na kakra dɛ ɛkɔɔyɛ no yɛsɛ minister ne tena ase a ɛna wefa ne pen na weafa ne book na weafa ne paper ɔmo etwi fa no so ɛpɔ ɔmo baabi kɔkɔ tena yɛ owura ɛyɛ Fidelis ɛyɛ Kameyi wɔno ɛna ɛhwɛ ne amansa di nkɔmɔ ɛma akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ ɔmo kyerɛ deɛ ɛwɔ teacher training colleges ahodoɔ no mu ɔkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm sɛ de kyerɛ yɛ.
We're expecting an agreement that should have been signed by the ministry key stakeholders so that based on that document we could have a discussion at our meeting and then based on it we'll have a decision. But we have not received the document from the ministry, so because of that we could not have the meeting. Because it has not been made available, we don't want to give any information as at now. I cannot see because that decision has to be taken by our council. You can call any tutor from any of the colleges and they will sing the same song to you. Yes, when the signed document is presented to us, we will convene a meeting and then the outcome will be made known to all our members and the general.
Observe nti weye eye owura eye Fidelis eye Kumayi wono ena ehwene amansa de nkomoma teachers o mo kyerɛ de ɛwɔ colleges of education ahodoɔ nim na ɔbɔbɔ nsɛm so ɛde akyerɛ no yɛntoa nsɛm no so inform yeguso a ɛde mo ɛwɔ nwomasuam ababeto dwa sɛ hostel bi a ɛwɔ Kwame Nkrumah suapon no mabusuafo yɛsi ejatom ɛmɛkɔbase de grabu kasɛm a dan bɛn kono na de nyina ase grabu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Kwame Nkrumah suapon no mu a enkwada ɛdam yɛsi ɛno anadwo da suom bɛ ɛyɛ ɛkyɛ sɛ adeɛ kye ɛnafie ɛna ejane tɔ dan ne mɛne memamro na yɛsɛ muduru hɔnom no deɛ wɔ sɛ hye na ahye na Sompa FM yɛkotie bɛsɛ for a professional concern na yɛ amankwa ɛno no so anadwo da suom no ɔte saa no otutu Amerika ekopie hɔnom na oduru hɔnom de na kyɛ sɛ adan bɛn kono deɛ na ahye kora brosan yɛ toa so mienu no emu adan bɛn kono na kyɛ sɛ ahye grebe amankwa ne paneɛ kora wɔ no mo amfa na deɛ hostel no yɛ ne dia ebepie hɔnom ɛma ɔne ne di nkɔmɔ ma ɔno so deɛ ɔte yɛ deɛ ohu yɛ ɔkyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ de kyerɛ yɛ
Ena omo frɛ se jato soro ti jato so pie na mpa na wa wu jato mu ena yɛ se yebedum ne yɛwɔ fire service for ayi bi wo nti bie na se jana gena mu akyɛ na wo mo te room hɔ no nso na wo mo ni hɔ nti bie pono na de jana po prekopɛ ɛfa ho nyina fire service for fere wo ma ɛkyiri ya no mbae to mo bae ne tise hodi nyina hye ɛda na rooms ni nyina hye ama chance ni nyina pagu ya patron ɛno mo nyina na wa nti yɛ pe baabi a o mo nso bɛda sɛ de bibia bɛyɛ kam
Observe nti weye eye fiewura anase hostel no ayefre ne se father hostel ya ewo Kwame Nkrumah suapon no mo eye ne dia ma me afia sewa na ochechi nsem mo ede akyere ne no akyire enkwada ne bia no mo dadan ni mu a omo ne ma hyi esoso kyerɛkyerɛ mo nsem kakra kyerɛ ye
me ko ende bibia ni ho bibia hye bibia ntimi mfa hye on na students ni so dean of students ni so mo before mako SRC hostel nti e say o mo be make arrangements no mo do mako
yes course fire because me inside strong island me inside so many roommates and yet no say like gidi to me crowd and I'm doing say fight so to me I'm deep in P so P and they are not smoking in buffer home and I'm meeting my in and yes na yeah last batch and you top one because P no more top one na obi ni e hono da adawu money di EP and the number say order ashibidi
Observant way a young Quadani be no mother hostel, no my father hostel, a walk, coming chromacy upon and a na almost so much church or macusimum a day at Chena Diban Kono, Nidia, Nina, a Sajrepe, ya in a more Case Ghana National Fire Service in Penning for the Atugase in Fifi more Safate Biano, one more a year, no more one the cropatia, a cofa Sajay, a baye, yes, some more, Sassemi, any DHD, the before to be an young far and Camemo. Yet twice near the Marco Katia, and this Yamanyuko, a Yamonisum, say, or don't for ya Domnaka Tremanda, Bujumu de Mofusane, Nasi Antiatin Caboni Bia, Echne, Mimene, or more Asia or Tamala Bontenso, na or more campaign, and ne a home pimprawadi or Madana de a de Achre Amansign. Na answer no bedu Tamala Bontenso, no, and this Yamanyukum penning for was Santimemo, and the Kumasia Bontenso, Yen she said, ne, Mampenida da John Dramani Mamani and this Yamanyukum penning for Acho Ruina, a Bekumasia Bontenso, and a Quasibone, a can say fundraising, no. Omo ayebi Kumasi Abontenso ajesempwane nkapre de abawura no e wona na muntu a wotu asre Ghana for say yensam for tumi ema ne biwu na omedi oman so na no na NDC amanyo company for wa sentimental say yewura Andrews na akwasi a we titire ni da no e no matie sikejeti Abontenso and the campaign o so dem crash toilet so a omo edi be pian honom o say omo sre dwadifo no say the kejeti anwe ne si esi honom aye abayo betima ba beto so awie atene nse free ho ene NDC ntomo ntoaba enfoma NDC amanyuku
fantu aba emomo ye biso mo se adise emaye eduani ediana sabi impocha obudeka asanteman enne omo se asante ebuaye de efuomo kuturi kase asante de yamaye t-shirt pa ye de ye betu aba amaye bebi a omanye dunu ya track t-shirt ye se de oye development ama amount for asetium ye de ekwa emi campaign na ye baye wasante afi bebi a excellency John Dramani Mahama omo se si omo ku se omo
Observanti way titre ni oda ndisi amanyuko no wa santamanta mase Andrews na nakwasi ene yete nenken na kejeti afo adwadifo no soso no womo eku a womo atie chamaya woda no soso no ede nsem se eto ndisi amanyuko mpenimfo ani
o wayere o ku ene ehwe maame no ehwe papa no so maame jare bafie e France first cabra de fantodra ko na bi anko sabe obaka se wa wo mu anyina bedu sabre wo ye de won hwere wo ye kohini osuna ye sa na ede ti am ku yakwansi se ye ko ye ne yadu aswa bi ye ko ne ye de ye ndui o ma wo dua mo mu de tresi se ni pa no ye de edros ntiaba empede dua na asantima ye de edwadi ni fa no ntuma pa ye de first na tie mama no gbabo so papa no gbabo so o ka se mo su de mu fo ma de sabe mo ye de mu ade na ye ahunjade a ene ahudi a no mo ye de ma mo wo se dey abaya to na sawamtini abani pe wo dey mu bebre ye de ebre so to ani hwe machia anaza kofa edomu wonu ma anopa no nsia no nso no wotwe a obi ase no niam awie no ba ko no he de na wada
Observanti way adwadifo wo keti Abonte so mo chairman so no no yete nenken na eno achi no boaboa ma doma no emendisi amanyuku no wa santamantama sei ma me Gloria Hozi so no ede kakra esoso
and then the running is Professor Jina Sabaya and this
Observanti way me Gloria Hozi wono ene bobo ma doma no mendisi amanyuku no wasantama sei eno no so yete ne kada na nwumre mampeni da John Dramani Muhammad na ni chire Kumasi Abontenso na ofri hase ya watoa so chena akọ eye Tamala Abontenso no akoka ndisi amanyuku ni achitafo nyina ho no mo alanche wono mo campaign no ene asantemam no fundraising bekoso e Kumasi Abontenso ye hyemo boss ye ne bedi akire de befra to bia na yemfa enkamemom ye nto akase no so mamo na yemfa mo konkra pompre mantem mo abusiafo ye mo musam se abai ede eye efri pokua se ofanko ede banua de besin se wom kwan no ama contract a se contractor no wo so no dwuma wo ye nyina ene se kwan no wo bam ama na ye tetreta ene ye ka ne bedu free hase a na bedu susu no baba bisa ho a enkoba se bi a traffic ya net abo peso se ya pese wo kwan so no ebi betimi asi ebiewu na contractors no mo ye adwuma wo kwan so no ene no omde nsema ba betu gane nsem twefo di nkomo no mo kire se baby a ya ba bedru sese no wo mo nhyehyia nkomo ye no na nka aboro so a sabre se nka kwan nkomo ya tete wo mo nsakra de afiri ho na de ama o ma kyere nyina se omo ye adwuma no edu baabi no na nanom mo won kra pumpune mantem be ka kyere omo se wo mo bosum bi sikwanum na bosum no susu o sikwanum no watu kwan bosum no tu kwan no wo mai etisa bosum na ama medru amoma ntam na mfiri kwanum a ekwan no moto ase ya enye ye enti be bosum mi no bosum mi ensa de abusiafo no mote kwan no ade ya na nanom so ombosum no a esi kwanum no watu kwan no ma ye nti no je se omoto akwan no so a enye ye ni ngina aka wo bi anama kwan no omo ye ne sa no wo mo akyere kakra bia wo mo nsisi omo ye no wo mo ebe konanim kakra ansa na kwan no motima awie ato wo nsa ede afiri ho engineer Abdullahi Mahama nkomo a one nsamtwefo boy ye kakra ni
you can't be unless you are the creator to be able to say you have certainty. That's why in every project you have to be the force majeure or the act of God and a kind of probability in every design. If everything went according to plan, so be for one couple or be a kind of medina or one example back here final you do be the first a two-man area and you pray that now there was a fetish shrine. Bosom they pay. You could do one hour you bosom to coin. Almost bosom to coin. 2.5 to 3 months. Now you try to bosom made Asana Yakutia, Akoye, Amamria Kutia, in Chemi, no, as any fika, I'm a Yita bosom to coin.
Fontiano no engineer no watch ensem se anantwie ni nwan a yese bosom na gi yansa na wo firi baabi a wo koe na ba ansa no motu na firi kwanum ama mato adwuma no so no nese wani nsase ye ka kire wo ntine nyina aka wo bi ana ma adwuma no mo ye efiri ofanko etwemu ade besinsawom ekwan no a edu bekwa ha na du soso aba no ama o ma kyere ewo ho enunom afeye mfam nko epoe mantem gadam sei egya yensa se ye ese ne bebrebe abanka chepani owo brem no for batom peso ya so ewo epoe mantem eno ne nsamchefo di nkoma no wo kyese galam sei kono de kyese wako ama ne nsa gene wose waba bedum pemprenso bi a na nanom a ewo ne mpeso ya no so ne mansininum no etimi efre no ka kyere ne se so wampede ba bi antena na wa makwa ama mrante na nkwa nkodi gala no a ene omutimi ka so mudi nkonya tuntumu a ewo wo mafiefiem no omahini ewu nyina no ede begira na kuna to atwene wabra wa na adwene so betwintwo oma na mu a omakwan ema omuni omo galamse a wo mo edi enti amasese de ono woko no a wo ko galamse hu no kyese ne nsakra agene ono DC woni asase nsase ne nyina akwa na nanom dia na nanom no soso die wo mo soso ene eboama galamse ekoso yi a wa na adwene se so okwa akosi ano kwan kora no a ene omo buru no due yi a kyese omo hunanu ne de nkunya tuntum ni ade ade nyina eba no so yi DC honorable Raymond Nana Damti ne nsem wo de tu ye ne mu ni
ahemfo be started threatening mama ka ehwasem ene wo ko chasefuku chasefuku baby ana na yi ne wo no wo afosu a esoro ho no na bi die ni mu mom de machine ta ko she ho ye djuma obekọ abiye the task force akogu ho bon crofo ho ba so mo je djuma ya ba abrem krom ha no ma ye ko roman force ro ho no mo esoro ho ewura mu ko no so no so na bi die ni mu de machine ta kogu ho crofo ko ye djuma galamse ya started threatening but me say I'll fight the last and you say me who say insure ni ate e gudi e obi ani ho na ko nyina obi enkase ma ye ntu but into the car paso I don't need anything from nobody me say should be I go for so ya ko DC ya ko commander ho ni nyina anya no kore so ko na o ye juma na lens want to say you ni who say mama e kuafo no enya so fa so obi say say twins you mom sin you for what o but you recognize bo ho ma for 20 ma wo insure ni ate ya if no work there I don't make no we are starting to tell me leaders no almost don't conform with Gumulo I don't mind
Observe to where a DC or brave north for Baton Precious who were Mantemoni attending Canonable Raymond Nana Damte and a Ochichi Ninse Modiches and Ananum Noir and Anamwa as I said here or more Aka or Muchacha so free from Mukuntunkunia or Mosichetri and a Gadamsi no a Coson. You go saw them who were Mantemum. The other more quick Pem South about Tom Precious a war a poem Mantemo. Now, at this year. A war could be a say friend say Adarubi. Adarubi na say so many abidi wo so mo catch am your phone no say so ma me yo ma kwan am wonu mu a hwe no ma mo musu say December bosome de toso so no ba be so mo the ballot box and a ballot nkrate ba be gu onom so mo nkoto santene wan dogudugu line enkonkoto aba wo mo say efrimra twedi amponya nkrompo hwane e na ne eja e de be gu asase suo no de wo said dasani ne nsaka e ma na setena ye nika ya kono e ye nigye de ma no aba wonum ene omususu firi to abanye ne teacher kwa bota abere so 19 kojo ho a na me kwa afia go big guess ya na me ye guesses pi wo wi eno ma to aba to a na se besi no ma kwanya na we na ba we ni so ma nto na de asem na asie ntomo ka kira amanyofo no se so munim no ma me yo mo kwan ama wonum a hwe no bia anya na dwene so ba be ye campaign po ne mpese wo mo ade ballot paper ba so mo nko no mo nko to aba engu box nim.
On the 19th of next month, that is August, we'll be having a demonstration on our road because just recently we saw that the road on a tracker, that is a government tracker, is 100% complete. And as you can see, this road is not, I mean, there's nothing like even 10% complete.
Very, very disheartening to see the deplorable nature of the state, only for them to put it on the performance tracker that they've completed 100%. Only yesterday, they quickly ran there and then actually deleted and then fixed, put 40%, which to me is not even up to 5%. They failed. The government has really failed their stronghold, which is Adamolobe.
The road that they have not fixed is affecting us economically, security-wise, because the road is not good. The road is a 10-kilometer road, and the drive is about 5 to 10 minutes to our destination. That is Ebri.
Observe this year no teacher so many abere ama brofo no kakura insisi so hu de ne esi no dos wum ni nyina so mo kwanye o maka empenifo so nyo madwene so mo baba be sisi di ama wunum to maka kira amanyofo no se hwara e na o manyo madwene so mo bampotem no baba be campaign mpomp ne mpese o mato aba ede ama wunum observe ye nyina we so niem kopenso bi no mra ye ba ensem ne pinu akachi ne mum Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for ne yeda wo mase said ne open visa akoye adwuma wa bruchiri open visa akoye business wa bruchiri open visa akosua de wa bruchiri open visa akotena bruchiri open visa akope business partners ene o maba be adwuma o Ghana mema say e wa bruchiri open visa no akọ visit bi okobo ni akoma say o mo ne de Ghana fo na etu kwan o ma be na pese okoso say Canada say US say Australia say Germany France Portugal Malta New Zealand UK Serbia o ma bi apese okoso bi abusiafo Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for sebra na yemfa wo enko say oye nurse ni oye midwife oye pharmacist oye doctor oye lab technician oye kuani oye teacher ni ye adwuma bank oye mason anaso oye carpenter ni oye labourer oye driver ni ye security ye watchman nsentwe ni adwuma bia oye bia obeso tu kwa bruchira travel agency a omodi amanfo kopa Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for Frey 0539 858766 0539 858766 0539 858766 3A Heba Center. Eritrea ko capsules abegwa so akokwa duro tatahwe a ehyiku kwase eno no. Friend Drugs Authority mpedimfo agiatum 0546107107 Mizu and 5G drink ni guso aye bobo abusuya wo ye wedina drink papa pa no eno no 0246270221 21st clinic ehone yeko yesi atike ntiri na atwetwe tutu ye no a akaya to form a yadwene ye se eyobi na atu yedu anase obi na abo yedu dua no abusiafo nye dua ene obi aboye na nye dutu bia for nature 21st clinic ne doctor for ne nhwe into asie emfama ya Ghana fa na nyina kuma se de ye wo ehwan overseas ye ben Alpha Radio nche hwa ene ye wo 0540311311 Express Group Adama ye de utu kwan akoma bia opese ukoso so se uko Canada uko US uko UK uko Australia uko New Zealand uko Germany na opese uko kusua de ono bia opese uko yo masters bi opese uko yo MPhil bi opese uko yo masters bi opese uko kusua law course bay and opese uko no abruchiri ye kra de besa so abo e mebi wono otumi nya full scholarship wa ade na uko kusua no abuchiri ne kapre bakra no untie bi Express Group asem ne ye kade chire we abusiafo so ba kumasi a ye wasafo labor runabout no so and as won kranya Kanesi First Light was so ye honum and at Tema Community 18 Lashibi Golf Lane Station was so no ye ho 0249 0004 48 0249 000448 na oni etwetwe enkomo abonkomo wo ni aboawo edwo tu kwan se ni obi a ekobuye ni bi abusiafo ye nyina we so ne na ye omra ye ba pia kechiri
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Kuafoi afuye na saduru hobi mu enti wo dwedwe fertilizer afiwei ubayusu ana esanse afra se fertilizer wotoye amwa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nsodoso ema woboka ene atumda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ane OCP fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko ajuo emo ene atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK 15 ana OCP MPK 10 akuafo a omoso edo legumes ebiti say soya beans peanuts and beans omoso enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo baabia ye ton ya yoma e wo man Ghana mu enoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP yekina ho magana ene Africa biayo
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye prekasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a yede aye prekasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne enwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako ewo ni nsuhye yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie wobenya prekese powder to King's Walk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Deni Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otu adidi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti according to IF4. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi as a labor runabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Observe Sasso Mama Kwaba Bioba Sompa television ye numere kasiye so sauti enka obono ne afomantem ne mo ahase Sompa 98.9 FM so obono East ya Sompa 90.7 FM ekuta mu na santimantem ne mpota nyina Sompa 93.1 FM so ekura yemu ye nto akase no so mamo ne mfamo nkonsem fufrum ye de mo eko mfimfi mantem na Nfifi mantemo ye demo ekro no abusiafo de ababeto yapono so ene se emrantie nkumankuma bi benum ese nyankopon ne fa akwam na okofa fiche kakra bi anka ekumfia bonten so enka adehye won potemo no masi wo mabo ekumu num adaya yesi na jude suom be dumienum ho no a amanfo adeda no ena sa nkwala ntotomfi wayi a yesi de wanyini kura wo mu no ewo be 18 years yese amanfo provision store ewo krom ho no wo mo ebu ani wura we mu a na yese omlek onidu wasichire ene o biscuit na yese o matena se no madini nyina de omuntimi nie na yese o metietia so na so mbese no ma bese no kakra o metimi afaso so no na omo ema so de se ne nyankopon a wompe bone ena yese wokopa wo mo hontomu a ene ne nyame ne fa kwamu anka omusi wo mabuku mu na community police ni ba ko a owa kumfide ne mpotemu agri okupi asemi so na ochechire mu de kire yenua erekana no to yenkra e de free mfimfim mantemu for community police ni ba ko asemi ye kokopie nanim na nanki ye hwese ye betie wo no dance ya odi ye de fa asem no ho na wo henkese ba ko no so wa kumfi na odwiri ababi o toso ayenso asemi kopie na himfie e mo no so no de okafa ho ni yɛn no yɛbɛnya bi ɛde amammo na enkwala yi ankwala ntotofi we ya yesi de wanyine kra wo madi 18 years ya esuko no mabi kra 11 years no ene ade de omwo wo mu no omsoso no emra ya chi wo mo saa no ye mo chechiro mo nsem na ye wese ebia na omo nchechi mu no yensa etimi aka abzafo we ayemfimfi mantemu ne yakoye ne nanke yehwese nkwala nkete de wanyine kra wo 18 years keto akra 11 years ya wo mo ebokro no ewa kumfi emuna kumfi emuna ye wa kumfi mansin mo mfimfi mantemu a yeso mo de anadwede suomu ngo a provision store omanum ye omo de miloni biscuit ne sardine ene chesa manfo drink de yeso mo nunum bia sese bia na wo mo ede sinte honsem eno no ye hwese ye benya ne no yensa eka ne no a ye de ebebramo ye nto ansam no sumamo ye mfamo nko asunafo north abaton pesua so hafu mantem ne mo na empenimfo a wo mo ehwe ngomasua honsensem so ewa asunafo north abaton pesua so hafu mantem ne mo ana ne yakwasi brene ka ne se eye cultural day wono mo ayebi ade amankwada e won potem ho no mo na openimpa wo na ehwe ngomasua so openi Isaac Siao echichim dinti a omo edi sa adwuman abzafo ye hwese empe opening semi benya bi ede amammo nkwala no di agropa ya mamre ni amane ena womo eda na di ewo eyesunafo no fene ne mpotemu na nke yehwe se niema etwagu ye wo honum no yebekọ ne akwakofa bi di amammo na eja opening pa won ehwe ne amansa di nkomo ema esunafo no fo mungumasua atena ye no ne nchechirimo no susu de man na nke yenya ede amammo achechefo no kasai na achechefo no susu de eni abzafo ye gina we suna enwumre ye nsama ye bobo no de besom no ye mfa munsia ye mfa nche ye mpa se ene no nenke ye pede amamu a bibia kwakote bayira homamu a entimi ma emamonte ensemu a ewo eye ensem no echi ye gina we so na enwumre eja ne ye bobo no de babesom no ye de mosia se ne asore ama eye kofuri na pamfo ababesum atoa so no mu wie ya anase ye bedika de bonkai bokakra mo de babedan ye no atoa so na afi kofuri ene na pamfo asom atoaso na fei eye wo mo abayen kenka madwenche kakra emfa ema mo teacher constitution wiamoase